no fear of the deep blue sea, although it could drown me. I know it could drown me, and no fear of the fall, no fear if it's with you that I'll fall, 'cause nothing could break us. No, nothing could break